Ashok Kumar Pradhan, MD and CEO at United Bank of India, is with us. So the NII reported by you saw a growth of 33%. This quarter, you've reported a profit of around 105 crores versus a loss of around versus a loss in the previous year. What are the key drivers for this growth number?
In fact, I will attribute it to 3 points. We have been able to substantially bring down our gross NPA. Thereby, we have increased our standard asset by about 4,000 crores during this financial year. So that has given to me an additional interest income of about 220 crores. And we have increased a substantial amount of money on the return of assets in this quarter vis-a-vis the previous corresponding quarter. The recovery is about 91 crores vis-a-vis 8 crores of the previous corresponding quarter. And on treasury front also, we have booked about 135 crores of profit. So all these three elements have contributed to about 400 plus crores of additional operating income to the bank's kitty. So that is the result of this good positive numbers.
Can you also tell us how the margins have been in the quarter gone by, and what is the kind of scope do you see for further improvement this fiscal?
Yeah, absolutely. If I look at when after 7 consecutive quarters of loss, we reported a profit of about 95 crores in Q4. We are a bit hesitant to say that we are going to do it on sustained basis quarter on quarter, but I was pretty sure we should be able to repeat this kind of performance on quarter basis. And in this quarter, as you see, my net profit has gone up to 105 crores, vis-a-vis 95 crores in Q4. And about 390 crores of loss in Q1 of the corresponding previous period. And this has come on the back of our operating profit substantially go up by 141%. So if I look at the way we have done in this quarter, I am pretty sure our margin will be fully protected for the next Q2 and Q3 onwards.
The absolute gross NPA were up by 3.4%. How has the trend been for slippages, recovery, write-off versus last quarter?
If I tell you the numbers, like we could reduce our gross NPA by about 3,500 crores in the last financial year. And second part is, very interesting part is our fresh slippages have come down substantially to about just 2.66%, vis-a-vis 5.70% previous year. So if I look at my gross slippages last year, which was about 2,800 plus crores. It has come down to just 400 crores in this quarter of the current financial year. Corresponding figure was about 580 crores. So there is a substantial improvement on the slippages front. And I do not see any slippages on the corporate accounts. All those accounts have been recognized. So whatever little slippages that are happening, that is happening on the retail front and MSME front. We have been able to contain it to a large extent. As I told you, the slippages, fresh slippages has come down to about 2.66%. I am hoping I should be able to bring it down to by about 2% by the end of the financial year. So,
okay, Mr. Pradhan, thank you so much for joining us and talking to us about your Q1 performance.